Hello, my name is Masoma Paiman. I'm a graduate student from Afghanistan. I'm pursuing my master's in civil engineering here at Rutgers. Today I want to make Qabili Palaw, a well-known and traditional cuisine in Afghanistan. Here are the ingredients we will be using today. First, we will fry our lamb with onion and garlic. Now we will add black pepper, cumin, and salt, water, and let it cook for 30 minutes. Meanwhile, we fry carrot and raisin. After lamb is cooked, we add rice, cardamom, and clove and let it cook for 30 minutes. After rice is cooked, add carrot and raisin and let them cook for 20 to 30 minutes together. Enjoy!